In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Replit to create an app. Welcome everyone! In this tutorial, we'll be exploring the process of building an app using Replit's platform with the help of the Replit agent, a powerful tool that simplifies code generation and app development. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a total beginner, Replit offers an intuitive way to bring your app ideas to life, and I'm excited to guide you through this process. To kick things off, you'll want to navigate to Replit's homepage. Once you're there, look for an option that says Create App, or something of that nature. Go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to the next screen where you'll see a tab labeled Create with Replit Agent. Go ahead and select that tab. This sets the stage for our adventure into app creation with a powerful ally at our side. You'll soon see an interface featuring a text box. This is your creative canvas where you'll enter your app's prompt. Think of this as your elevator pitch for summarizing your app idea. Here is where you can spill all your design dreams, including specifics about your app's features, expected pages, user interface elements, and databases you might want to use. If you have any images or mock-ups that illustrate your vision, you can attach those too. This initial step is crucial because the more detailed your prompt, the better the agent can translate your vision into a development plan. Once you've crafted your prompt, it's time for the agent to work its magic. The agent will analyze your input and propose a development plan, outlining everything from files and architecture to the technology stack it intends to use. Before moving forward, take a moment to review this plan thoroughly. If everything looks good, simply approve it. If there are parts you want to tweak or refine, this is your chance to make those adjustments before the actual building begins. Now comes the exciting part, watching your app come to life. The agent starts generating code, configuring dependencies, setting up the environment, and possibly even establishing a database. You'll be able to see new files popping up and code being written in real time, which is such a fascinating process to witness. After the initial build, it's essential to test and preview your app. Use the preview pane or run the app to see how it performs. If you spot anything that needs tweaking, or you want to add a new page or change a feature, you can simply chat with the agent to make those modifications. This iterative process allows you to polish your app until it meets your expectations perfectly. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks and works, it's time to deploy your app. The agent is super helpful here as well, guiding you through each step of the deployment process until your app is live and ready for the world to see. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can use Replit to create and deploy an app with ease. Enjoy the journey from idea to reality, and remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting and learning. Happy app building!